Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own habbo retro. I know I said before that you can make your own retro, on your habbo hotel, but a retro hotel is a fake and illegal copy of habbo, nevertheless. So retro hotels are often popular amongst unhappy habbo users tired of purchasing credits. When first joining retro hotel, the user normally start off with a large amounts of coins. As a result, many of these hotels become popular because the money is no object in gaining furniture and building rooms. Some retro hotels may actually or are reminiscent of fan sites. So users are able to be hired as staff members with abilities to ban other users, give out badges, and more. With accessibility of moderator tools within their own game, often retros create their own furniture, which include different recolors, unreleased furniture, or alterations. An example of this is Mike Coke furniture being incorporated inside a retro hotel. Retros run in whichever manner they please, sometimes causing controversy amongst their users. This opens of a retro hotel allows you openness of retro hotel allows users to earn unrealistic wealthy, and playtime is quickly diminished. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.